it runs to lakhs of rupees a year.
Yeah.
No, our request is not that bad, about 45,000 for each, for CBC, for chemistry, for immunology and all that. So it's expensive.
Sometimes if we are not getting the request that parameter, we have to hide it. Or if when we are drafting in September, the draft will come to submit for the next year. So that time we have to decide how many parameters you want to hide it. Otherwise,
But that's on your
it won't
scope
show in
now.
the test.
If you have
Every
said this is your scope, then you have to have request for that. Scope, guys, by the way, is a menu
no, we are
of your
hiding it.
lab that you submit to the body. You want these to go
Yes.
into your EQUAS. So your certificate will be based that whether you pass or fail on this. So you'll have to get used to
Yes.
certain terms, scope.
But like vitamin D and all
But that's your
tests.
UK, no? The UK
Yes,
is a
ma'am,
good
some
thing.
of
The UK ECAS is much better on vitamin D.
with yeah. So sometimes you have to see some parameters because some parameters are can so actually come every 3 months. Then for that normal biochemistry and immunology, we applied for ICAS also. So all
Mm.
the parameters are run on ICAS for biochemistry and
Are you happy with Recast? Because
like that.
I have people tell me that I've always gone with Biorag. Uh, are you happy with Recast? Some
Yes,
I know
I'm
some of
happy
my
with
friends
ICAS
quite
also.
like
Yes,
Recast.
ICAS is also good.
You've been more
ICAS
economical.
is a,
More economical. Yes.
the challenge is microbiology. ICAS is a very big challenge.
I don't know. I don't have too much of an experience with microbiology, so I can't speak about it.
The allergy panels, ma'am, are becoming difficult to purchase. Cheap food panels, because if you
What
have
do they
that,
send you for
it will be very
microbiology? What they
completely
send you?
difficult.
Samples for culture, or they give it to
Huh?
you in
Yes,
aliquots?
yes,
Aliquots.
yes. Sometimes it comes pre-packed. Yeah, sometimes it comes pre-packed, sometimes dry, sometimes at room temperature. Depends on the program. But all the tests should be covered. If you are doing CAP, all the tests should be covered in EQUAS.
True. That's true. NABL here gives you the leeway. You select what you want to go in for. All right, guys. Any other questions? Anything else? Mahesh, you've joined us too late today, huh? Mahesh, can you hear me? You must be busy in the lab. Okay. That's it. Can any other questions? Hello? Shall we end here?